this is the Carp Crew. It's our 1983 station wagon. It's a Chevy Caprice. It was a find on eBay, and I got it back in 2005. Went through a full restoration.
I wanted to make it go faster, so I put a new transmission and a few other things.
Made by Chevrolet, part of the Corvair line. So engine in the back.
RSSS, Resto Mod, with a MS3 engine with the hot cam. 15 years ago, he decided he was going to redo the whole thing. Frame off restoration, custom Morrison chassis.
To those who are new to this world of subscription, all you have to do is click that sign in button and create an account. Just follow their instructions, and after that you're good to click the subscribe button, and you can also click the like, and don't forget to press that bell, and that way you will be able to know every time I download a new video. Also, you can leave a message or a comment down below, or just a lovely comment. Who doesn't want it? Oh, by the way, that truck there, that green truck, that's my 59 Chevy Apache. My husband is driving it right now because I'm behind this camera taking a video of them, and that blue Camaro is his Camaro, but it's his best friend who's driving it. So, just to be clear, that green Apache is mine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch out for the next video that I'm loading.